it's May 7 today. May 7, Wednesday, 5:19 in the morning. So, it's been a while since nag-vlog ako. Pero, yeah, since pagbalik ko kasi dito sa UK, talagang work mode ang ate nyo. So, yun. Ngayon lang ako nagka-chance to travel. And day off ko lang din talaga today. So, it's gonna be like an overnight trip. So, we're going to Edinburgh on our first day, and then tomorrow, punta tayo ng Glasgow. So, yun, it's my first time in Glasgow, pero it's gonna be my third time in Edinburgh. Pero nag-visit ako sa Edinburgh, autumn, it was the first one, and then winter yung second time ko. So, this is the first time na pupunta ako doon ng spring season. So, yun. Medyo malamig pa din ngayon. Siguro nasa, let's say, 9 to 15 degrees throughout the days. Ito yung first train trip from Nairn to Edinburgh. Tapos, diretso na siya. Although, yung ticket ko, para makamura, is split ticket siya. So, I had to buy Nairn to Aberdeen, and then Aberdeen to Edinburgh, and it's gonna be a 4-hour trip. And then I think I'll be arriving sa Edinburgh Waverley ng mga 9:40 or basta ko almost quarter to 10. And then yeah, I'll meet up with my friend, si Ate Crystal. It's her birthday today. We're so excited to travel. Just make the most out of the day. I'm on the train. This is directly going to Edinburgh. So I bought this ticket for... So I think this vlog is gonna be a 2-part vlog for the whole trip. Kasi one is for Edinburgh, and then one is for Glasgow. So yun. We're doing just day trip for the both of the places. So 1 day for Edinburgh, and then 1 day for Glasgow. So an overnight trip lang, just like, so day trip in each places. I'm not sure if we're taking the bus or the train going to Glasgow naman. And tomorrow we'll spend the whole day in Glasgow. And then travel back na ako to Nairn, and then si Ate Crystal sa Oban. So, yan. Let's see. I'll take you with me.
Makakailang steps po kaya kami. We're here somewhere. Sabi ko lagi na lang. Sino yan? So guys, papunta kami ng cathedral. Pagod na kami, hinihingal na kami. Wala pa. Pray muna kami. Okay.
This is the St. Giles Cathedral. So, wala namang fee, pero they accept donations in any currency daw.
So beautiful. Basta may telephone booth, pipicture kami dyan. Kunyari na lang.
Yan? Ano na? Tawag doon? Unlock na yun.
Oo. Sa London naman yun next. So, we're approaching the Edinburgh Castle. At doon na kami mamamalagi. Uy!
Si Sarah. Magbabalat kami ng mga
Patatas. That's the Edinburgh Castle. So, hindi kami papasok dahil may bayad. Siyempre. Dahil aliping sa gigilid kami. Literal, nasa gilid lang kami.
Sa mga free lang kami dito.
Oo. Pero yan, ang ganda nyo guys. So this is the Victoria Street, inspired for the Diagon Alley. Oink oink. Pila kami ngayon guys sa kung ano man to. Nakikisali lang kami. May pila kasi. Pumila rin kami.
Baka may ayuda dito.
May ayuda ni Mayor.
So, hindi kami, ano pa naman.
Election. Hindi kami ayuda dito. Dito kami sa Victoria Street.
Pounds dito, pounds.
Pounds dito. Huwag kayo. Croissant ang binibigay.
Hindi pandisan.
Mga one. Sabay pa tayo.
I don't know.
This is the best place for Harry Potter fans. Mga nanggugulo. Oh, ano lang siya? Ano din siya? Shop talaga. Ay, yung mga house carves. This has been opened. Enemies of the air beware. Gutom na. Gutom na.
Hindi pa.
Hindi pa talaga.
Galang-gala pa.
Alright,
Let's go, girl! Walang tulog-tulog sa gala.
Wala, mga ano to.
Mga taong
Mga
walang
madaling
tulog.
araw. Madaling araw na nakatulog, madaling araw gumising.
Yes, for the gala.
Time for lunch. So, nagpa-reserve kami dito sa Kanpay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Finally! Hindi ko alam, akala ko pinsan ko siya. Tita ko pala siya.
And may pumpkin.
Di halata. Welcome to Princess Street Gardens. Ross Fountain. Meron tayo ngayong request sa birthday girl. Tatalon siya sa fountain. Yan, sige pa. Sige, huwag kang titigil. Si jump shot naman. Princess Street Gardens. Nandito tayo ngayon in front of Ross Fountain. And nasa likod lang si Edinburgh Castle. Ang mga Pinoy ay pupunta ng Jollibee! Ay, go na. Kami na ba yan? Saan na yan? Kami na ba yan?
Tapos kami sa Jollibee. Bilang sa inyo. Wala pa naman.
Jollibee! Here in National Museum of Scotland. Free entry. Ang ganda naman ng ano dito, design. So nice. And the museum is so big. Guys, may mga ano dito. Airplane. Dolly the sheep. Oh Bobby. Ito na yung ano, te. Ah, ayan siya.
Mahal na mahal siya, no? No? Mahal na mahal siya dito ng ano, no?
That's Bobby.
Maliit lang siya. Oh, terrier lang siya eh. Lagi sa breeder.
So, hinahanap namin ngayon yung grave daw ni Tom Riddle from Harry Potter. Yan. So, cemetery ito, guys. Pero, parang sa dami ng tao, parang park na lang din siya. That's the Tom Riddle. So we're going to try the Milkman coffee. Kaya pa ba? So time check. It's 6:15 p.m.
Walang tulog-tulog! Walang tulog-lakad!
Hindi ko na alam ilang steps tayo. Pero we're on our last stop, which is Calton Hill. Mukhang malayo-layo pati. Kamusta ang birthday, girl?
Yeah, it's good. I-enjoy ko din.
Yay! Super! Ay, Diyos ko po.
Matirik.
Patras kaya tayo maglakad. Everyone, this is the Calton Hill. Hey, our last stop for Edinburgh. Akala namin maabutan namin yung sunset.
Wala nang
Pero hindi na
sunset
pala
kasi alas 9 pa.
Di na namin kaya hintayin. Hi guys, so that's the end of our Edinburgh trip and vlog. Happy birthday! Yay! So our next vlog, our next trip will be in Glasgow. So dun muna kami magtutulog tonight at another full day tomorrow. Pero travel back na din kami. We'll see you guys. Bye!